SCA is the Student Conservation Association. We are a national nonprofit that has been around since 1957, and our goal is to build the next generation of conservation leaders. So between our high school program and our internship program, we have over 4,000 people participating each year. We go to a bunch of different colleges. We kind of identify schools just based on the programs that they have, the relationships that we've had with the school in the past. ESF, because it is an environmental school and there's a lot of students interested in that outdoor path, that outdoor passion, we see a lot of students from ESF participate in our program. Last year, ESF was #1 in terms of the number of selections we had. The internships are expenses paid, so what that means is that we pay for travel from where you are to wherever your internship is. We provide housing at the internship site. You get money each week for food, and the majority of them are eligible for an AmeriCorps award, which is money for college at the end.
So I did 3 national cruises when I was in high school, and then I did a conservation internship at Parker River National Wildlife Refuge. Didn't do any trail maintenance as part of my college experience. I did mist netting and banding, I did shorebird surveys, I did monitoring of shorebirds. It was very, very helpful getting an internship this past summer. So those experiences and those skills that I learned from my first internship carried over into helping me get a job for this past summer.
I was a biological plant intern with the National Park Service and New River Gorge National River in West Virginia. But I worked with the invasive plant crew. We treated ash trees and hemlock trees for emerald ash borer and hemlock woolly adelgid. And we also sprayed for invasive plant species, and we also did mechanical removal of invasive plant species.
So this was spring break. SCA flew us out on Sunday, and we returned on Saturday, and this was in Santa Monica Mountains National Recreation Area near LA. For that, it was 4 days of work. The first 2 days we did invasive species removal, and then the last 2 days we planted 1,500 plants.
Yeah, I think it gave me a lot of insight. I think it's really kind of focused what I'm doing here at ESF.
But here there is that passion for the environment, exploring new things, going somewhere different, getting your foot in the door, getting dirty. We offer all of that. And so ESF students are usually interested in that kind of stuff.
So it's just a really good opportunity to work and talk with people that are in similar and different situations than you, but ultimately we're brought to the same place during spring breaks.
And I tell this to so many people because I try recruiting people, students, anybody really, that the SCA was the greatest experience of my life, and I owe that program and I owe the organization